Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress onto Bluehost in 2021. This is aimed at beginners, it's very easy, and we're going to get everything set up here within under 10 minutes. So the first thing you need to be doing here is you need to be going to the Bluehost website. Now, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. You can just go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight here. Now, what we need to do is we need to buy website hosting with Bluehost, and that's going to give us a free domain as well. We're then going to be able to install WordPress on that later. So you can see here, when you're on the Bluehost website, you can build and grow a website without breaking a sweat. So what we can do is we can get started for as little as $2.75 per month. So let's go ahead and get started here. So we can now choose a plan which might be applicable for us. Now you can choose 12-month plans, 24 months or 36-month plans. And don't worry about this now, you can change it later, so I'm just going to go 36 months. So the different plans here that we have a basic plan, we have a plus plan, choice and pro. Now for most of you, you're going to be choosing between the basic and the plus plan. Now a lot of you, you're going to be going with basic, and it's just great if you just want one website. And that's going to cost you $2.95 per month. So you can see here with this, you get one website for free, you get 50 gigabytes of SD storage, 24/7 customer support, and custom themes. You also get one free domain, one free CDN, and one free SSL certificate. So this right here is probably the best one to go for if you're a beginner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on select, and that's what you're going to have to do as well. It's then going to take you to this window here where you can choose your domain and get your account set up. Now, Bluehost are going to give you one free domain, so you can go and create your domain inside of Bluehost. Now think of a domain, because once you've got it and once you've got that domain, basically you can't change it, so make sure you've put a bit of thought into this. For the video, I'm just going to spam random letters and we're going to get a domain that's available. So once you've done that, you can then go to next, and then we should be able to enter in our information here. So you can see it's going to tell you if the domain is available or not. My domain is available for this video. So now you can scroll down, you can either sign in with Google+, or you can go ahead and enter in your own personal information here. Now when you scroll down even more, you're going to get the package information. Now our package is a 36-month package, which is going to bring the price down to $2.95 per month, but you can do 12 months as well, which is going to make it more expensive. So I'm going to go with the basic 36-month price. Now if you notice down here, it's going to add some package extras on. You can get rid of a lot of these. Code Guard Basic, a lot of you aren't going to need this. Also, Site Lock Security Essential. I don't even use this on my websites. And you can see that brings the total right off. You can see we've saved 67%. Now the one that I would recommend is Domain Privacy Protection. This is going to keep your name and your address anonymous when people, or if people, do a domain lookup of your domain. So I would highly recommend this. Then you can scroll down and enter in your payment information. You can pay with credit card, or you can also pay with PayPal, whichever is more beneficial and easier for you. You can then scroll down and click submit, and your account will have then been created, and you will have then paid for your domain and web hosting. Now what we can do is install WordPress. So here's what's going to happen. So once you've created your account, it's going to tell you welcome to Bluehost. You can now choose a password for your account. So go ahead and click here on the green choose your password button. It's then going to take you to a window where you can go ahead and create your password, which is basic stuff here. And once you've created your password, as soon as you've clicked next, it's going to then ask you to choose a theme. Now this isn't going to be the only chance you get to change your theme. You can change your theme whenever inside of Bluehost. But they're going to ask you here if you want to choose a theme, and this is going to be a WordPress theme. So you can go ahead and choose a theme. It doesn't really matter what theme you choose, because you can go ahead and change it later. Once you've done that, it's going to then set WordPress up for you. And there you go, all done. You can now access your website. Now if you go to this button here and you click start building, it's going to take you to your website. But what I recommend you do is go to your Bluehost account. So you can go to your account, you can check some settings, and so you know how you can get back to your account at a later date, because that is going to be important. So click go to my Bluehost account and it will take you here. Now here is going to be the back end of your account. These are screenshots from an old website here, so you see the domain is different. So what you can do from your Bluehost dashboard is log in to your WordPress website. Now to get to this dashboard here, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and just go to bluehost.com, and you can then go and log into your account that you've just created, remember. So you log in with your domain name and your password that you've just created literally 10 seconds ago. So we're going to log in here. And then once you're on this page here, all you have to do is go to login to WordPress, and it's then going to redirect you to your WordPress website, where you can then simply go and log in for the first time. So it's just going to log you in here. And that's basically all you have to do to get onto your WordPress website, which is now hosted on Bluehost. Now the second time you try and go to your website, you don't have to go through Bluehost. You can just go to yourdomain.com or yourdomain/wp-admin, and that's going to take you to the page where you can log into your account. So let me just go ahead and log out here. So when you go to your website /wp-admin, it's going to take you here, and then you can just log in to your account. And that really is all you have to do to install WordPress onto Bluehost. You can now go and build your account. I hope that video was helpful. If you've got any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.